Hello Raider Nation, this is OneManOneCamera. Today is Friday, May 29th, about 12 noon. Temperature 100 degrees Fahrenheit. It's hot. Alright you guys, today I'm down at the Coliseum. Ha! Freudian slip. Today I'm down here at the stadium to take a look at the progress. Let's see what's going on. And right now I'm on Polaris on the western side of the stadium. And check this out. If you can, let's see if I can zoom in on that fence. And as you can see, the black fencing. Can you see that? Hard to see. But the fence runs, if we go from where those palm trees are, the fence runs all along Polaris to seal off, I guess, those electrical boxes. Don't know the proper term. And it goes and goes and goes and goes and goes just about here. So a lot of the space on the grounds of the Coliseum Stadium will be blocked off. There you go. Now I think, alright, so we're going to hang around for a little while, see what's going on. It is high noon, so I'm not sure if they'll be going on lunch break now or what, but we'll just see what's going on. Alright, let's have some fun. Okay, just want to zoom in on that cement truck, and a truck parks right in front of us. Of course. Alright, keep going. Great. Okay, it looks like they are pouring some cement way over there. And meanwhile on Polaris, just swing around. Now Polaris has put on the yellow dots for the street, which is good. And they're also doing some work over there. And we got our sky track right here. There is still some street work to be done, some landscaping to be done here on Polaris. And you know, it's the beginning of May, end of May, beginning of June. And for all what people are saying, they look to be on time. Alright. Okay, let's move down a little bit. Get a good shot of the Allegiant Stadium sign over here on the west side. Lovely palm trees. And we also have today, it looks like we have one of the guys working on, I think those will be public address speakers to tell folks, you know, hey, move along, or whatever, because I don't think they're lights. I do believe they're public address speakers. Makes sense, right? Because occasionally they have to talk to the crowd and say, look, you know what, this is what's going on. Go this way, go that way, do this, do that. All right? Great. And then you can see in the background behind him, well, I guess in front of him, more in front of him, there is some more of the fencing. You know, you can't have folks hopping over to try to get a piece of grass, right? So undoubtedly somebody probably will or would if the fence wasn't high. Alright, so now we're going to go up north more on Polaris and see what's going on. Okay, so move down a little more north. Here's our northwestern shot of the sign. And then here is the little road which goes off of Polaris and which runs into Al Davis Way. Okay. So I believe that this will be for mostly the VIPs and perhaps even the rideshare people, because we have this northwestern lot right here, which I think is VIPs or is rideshare, and of course across more over there is another lot which is also, I think, for the ride shares. So people will come in, or when they leave, go through here and then take off. So now on this side of the complex, like I said, it is 12 noon or so, and so it looks like a lot of the team is taking a break, a high noon break. I don't know when they start, so I can't really comment on that. But anyway, it's looking pretty good. Okay, so right now we are on Hacienda north of the stadium, and here is this parking lot they've been working on. along with the landscaping. It looks like the landscaping could be done because we have all these little, I guess, bushes or small trees. I guess they'll be bushes, I guess. Small little bushes which have been planted, which will grow big and strong eventually. And then the top part of the parking area. Now it's not quite done yet. And earlier I saw the team measuring out, I guess, parking spaces. All right, see that? So, you know, everything's shaping up. And anyway, when I was on Polaris, it was interesting because the smell of asphalt, right, reminds me of my childhood. Anyway, all right. So I moved over to Hacienda Bridge to get a shot of this welcome to Allegiant Stadium, occupying the northern end of the stadium. You know what? That's pretty good. And what happens is, okay, so you come in, so just behind the entrance where the workers go in, you see a set of stairs, which goes up, 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 and across, and you go under the Welcome to Allegiant Stadium sign, and then they go down, 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 down again. Okay? Nice and symmetric. Looks good. Looks really good. Check out that dust. Now, we know that the Al Davis flame, I wonder if you can see it, but if we go to the right on that middle seam, there is and behind the glass, there is the Al Davis flame. All right. Now there is the parking lot way over there that we were just at a moment ago. And this parking lot here, which I've always said my ride share, is packed with workers' cars and a couple of offices and the portables, or temporary offices. We always call them portables when I was a kid. Portables. Okay. Now the wind is kicking up, as you can see. So it's going to be dusty down there. And behind me is a tractor doing its thing. So hey, all too exciting. So down the Al Davis Way right now. Let's get a closer look at some things, or a different view of some things. Watching my little finger. Okay. There we go. I like how the motorbikes all park in the front. Short walk to the office. Perfect. Now let's turn around and give the tractor some attention. All right. Enough of that. Okay, looking through the lanai doors, can you see the structure of the roof? The bar is running up and down, side to side, front to back. This cat is loud. We're moving, okay, you guys? Right now, we're a bit closer to the stadium here on Al Davis Way, and it's looking pretty good down here. Now, I spoke with the chap just a few moments ago, and he said, "Yep, those guys are going to be the ticket booths." So I guess you walk down or get driven in from Hacienda, you come on down, cross the street. There's bollards right here. Ooh. Pass through the bollards and run on over to those little black boxes. And then you can pick up your ticket. Or tickets. And that's why they have those giant, those large vents on top of the box, because to keep those people cool inside of the ticket booth. All right. So right in front of us, they have a lot of the landscaping done. Well, not really. They have a lot of the boxes with the pots ready for the plants to be planted. Man, you guys, this dust is killing me. All right, you guys. Hey, all right, don't complain. All right, so let's move on down to get even more dust in our faces, okay? Let's go. Just another angle of the ticket booths. You can see the vents on top to keep the staff cool. Now, they really aren't that big, and I wonder, I guess they'll have 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 people working, 3 selling tickets, and then maybe a manager or supervisor kind of walking back and forth between these ticket booths. And if you go to the left, we can see there's 3 windows on this side. So, very interesting. All right, let's move down a little bit more on Dean Martin to see what we can see. There we go, glory blowing in the wind. All right. And then, oops. And now here's another little walkway, which will have a nice covering, which is nice. Just something extra, really. I guess you can walk in with anticipation to getting your ticket or getting your seat and seeing the boys play, talking to your friends, elbowing each other. And it's going to be a good time to be had by all. And let's hope the other team gets crushed. All right. You guys, just a short one today. Alright, you guys, always I thank you for joining us. Always a pleasure to see your comments and to make these videos for you. Please subscribe, tell a friend, and give a thumbs up, and share it if you can. Like I always say, if you see me outside, say hello and I'll say hello back. Take care, everybody. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Ew, gross. I mean, delicious. And now for something completely different. Today we're trying these fish steaks in a can from the good folks at Beach Cliff. I saw these at the ABC store here in Waikiki, and I thought I would give them a try. Wait, ABC store or Walmart or somewhere? I do not remember, but it looked interesting. It's a nice, pretty cool little design. I like the lighthouse here and the blue color of the background. That's good. Anyway, this is a fish steak, bite-sized herring in mustard sauce. What do you guys think? Delicious? Strange? Let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. All right, we'll just pop this baby open. I heard that psst, the sound of freshness. Ew, gross. I mean, delicious. Check it out. It smells like a mustard sauce. Okay, my first time having these guys, yeah? So, let's find out. I don't want to spill anything on this table. You know, I should have some crackers or something, yeah? Or a piece of bread, but, oh well. Whoa. The mustard's kind of strong. It's about 3 seconds, then it calms down, yeah? This is interesting. Herring. The skin is still on. Interesting. So, pop it in your mouth. Interesting. It's not a heavy fish taste or a heavy fish smell. That's good. But not bad. All right, you guys. That was just a quick one. Anyway, like I always say, if you see it, buy it, try it. Hope you like it. Take care of you. Have a good day. Cheers, and good night. And I hope these flies are killing me. And like I always say, get away, fly, get away, get away. God damn it, these flies. Shoo fly, don't bother me. Shoo fly, don't bother me. Shoo fly, don't, damn it, bother me. I hate flies.